We begin this bulletin with the latest development that's happening in Nepal. The Gen Z protest has now escalated. The parliament has been burned down by the protesters today on the second day of the protest. The parliament building was seen set ablaze, as you can see on your screens as well. Smoke bellowing out of the building, and the building has been burned down and destroyed. Also, the Prime Minister of Kathmandu has resigned. He has stepped down amid intense pressure. The youth of Nepal are on the streets on the second day as well. Joining us now from Kathmandu live right now is India Today's Amit Bharadwaj. Amit, tell us what are the latest developments in this protest and what is the situation on the streets of Kathmandu right now?
Anjali, to begin with, where I'm standing right now, right behind me, you could see the smoke has covered the sky right behind me. That is the visual we are getting from Kathmandu at this point in time. Right behind me, it's the entire sky has been taken over by the smoke, which is describing the kind of violent protest which has unfolded, angry protest that has unfolded on the streets of Kathmandu, as we have been reporting since morning. As I'll be panning the camera, the next visual is coming from the Hilton Hotel. That is a hotel possibly owned by one of the top political leaders of Nepal, and the protesters, angry over the lavish lifestyle of the political class in Nepal, has now hit out, poured down their anger on the properties owned by these leaders as well. So that is another area which has seen vandalism, a fire, and as the camera will pan further, these are the establishments, again, likely of the political leaders, which have been set on fire. So majorly today, the anger has been, taken out on the property of the government as well as of the political class. This is no more about social media. Anjali, let me just clarify it for our viewers' understanding. The protests might have started in Nepal over a ban on social media platforms, but eventually it boiled down to a situation where the Gen Zs are saying that while we do not have opportunity to have better education, employment, inflation